Welcome to Sienna Hosta. We're a nursery based in the heart of the Surrey countryside. We grow over 1,000 varieties of hosta, and we're very privileged to be based on a nursery that has origins dating back to 1765. Here at Sienna Hosta, we're highly focused on sustainability. Therefore, all of our plants are grown in peat-free compost, and our web sales, the packaging which they go out in, is completely biodegradable.
Hostas are really robust and easy to grow. They very rarely fail, but when they do, it's usually down to being too wet. Always remember that when you're planting your hostas, you need to use a free draining compost. Here at the nursery, we use a peat-free compost, which works really well.
This is where we keep our show plants. We really look forward to being able to bring these back to RHS shows as soon as things return to normal.
This is just a selection of our display plants that we were planning on bringing to Chelsea this year. We're very fortunate to have hundreds of plants like this, some of which are over 30 years old.
This is Love Pat, a striking blue, upright growing hosta with natural cup-forming leaves that hold water. These plants are very strong, ideal for a container or to be planted into the ground. As with most large and giant leaf hostas, Love Pat has a better resistance for not being eaten by slugs and snails.
This is One Last Dance, one of our favourite varieties on the nursery. It's a real showstopper that you can't help but notice in a garden setting.
Fire Island is arguably one of the finest of all hostas. Striking stems and this lovely lemon coloured foliage.
This is Devon Green, arguably one of the most popular varieties we grow. It's particularly sought after for its slug resistance. With thick dark green glossy leaves, it looks brilliant in the shady spot in the garden.
One of the main questions that we're asked at the shows is how to keep the slugs and snails off your hostas. Here at the nursery, we use garlic wash, which is really easy to make and is very effective. We have a recipe for this on our website, as well as putting in a recipe with every order that we send out.